Welcome to DFit. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Today we took a ride out to Lee's Landing in Port Deposit, Maryland. Basically, it's a small town in Cecil County along the banks of Susquehanna River. It is history tied to the development of Susquehanna Canal. It's a crucial point of transportation in the 19th century. It's also known for its historic charm, outdoor recreational activities, scenic views, and it's a popular spot for fishing, boating, hiking, and it has a museum, Paw Paw Museum, Susquehanna Museum, and the Lock House. We went into Lee's Landing, the restaurant here. It's right on the Port Deposit Marina. You have boat slips, boat storage, and various amenities for boaters, visitors alike. In here, right here, you can see on the right that there's usually, it's not open right now because it's the beginning of the season. You have a smoothie bar, beers, drinks, live entertainment, brisket, a lot of food outside as well as the restaurant that's inside. Out in the back, we got to hang out a little bit and check out a lot of the water. It's a great little pace. It feels like you're at a tiki bar down at the beach. Even though it's just a boat dock out here, they put some sand and some tables out here. Everybody got to enjoy the scenic views. You know, it was beginning of the season, so it took us about an hour and a half to have a seat, and then another hour to get our food. And you could see it's not too busy in here, but we all finally got to sit down, you know, order up and enjoy some of the amenities that they did have. I think that once the season starts and the outside bars start opening up again, I think it would be a lot better and it'd be a lot quicker service than it is now. And a lot of the college kids that come home will be able to serve you and go there. But you can see enjoying some good conversation and enjoying the outside scenery. We got to pass the Conowingo Dam. A lot of good scenery over here if you ever want to take that ride and check it out. It's definitely beautiful. It was on our way over to the Chesapeake Harley-Davidson, which was established in 1998, across a bunch of dealerships in Maryland and Delaware. What we got to enjoy outside, just hanging out, BSing before we took a ride home, and just enjoying each other and checking out all the bikes that they did have. They did have a big expansion of motorwear as well. Great ride coming back. As you can see, we had a good bunch of guys and girls hanging out together. And of course, you know, a lot of hijinks and stuff like that as well. If you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at? Again, at the end, just remember to subscribe, like the video, and I hope to see you again soon and possibly you can join us for a ride. Join us at DFit Moto. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok as well.